Hello, welcome to this video. In this video we will make a simple Python DNS client. So as you can see in the picture here, the Python code will be run in this laptop, and the laptop will be make a query to where is www.google.com to DNS server. In our case it will be the Google public DNS. The IP address of it is 8.8.8.8, and the DNS server will send a response. So we will make a query to the DNS server with a next thing, or we will recycle the previous request that we will run on the NSLOOKUP command on CMD, and we will see the same query also. We will see the response. So let's jump into the code. This is the code, very simple and very minimalist. So we basically just use the socket library, not any more than that socket. And the first thing you need to modify, you need to differentiate between the other client, because DNS is used UDP. So in this argument, you need to enter, in this parameter you need to enter the value socket.sock diagram, and in the client.connect you need to enter the value of 8.8.8. This is more than this is over 8.8.8.8 as the DNS server IP address. Don't forget to put a single quotes in the first and the last of the string. And also you need to supply the port number of DNS, because DNS port number is 53. You need to put it here. And also you need to put the fair data. This is easy. This is the query that you send to DNS server. So where did I get this, and where did you can get this? So let's go to our website, and first you need to put this filter precisely to your screen, to your website filter, and then click green restart, and then click continue without saving. And now open one of the CMD, and now type NSLOOKUP space www.google.com space 8.8.8. This is basically want to ask 8.8.8 server what is the www.google.com. So if you press this enter on this command, the computer, your laptop will be sent a query to 8.8, and Wireshark will be capture those traffic that you send, and also the traffic that the DNS server sent to you. So the Wireshark in your laptop will capture the traffic, the packet that sent to the DNS server, and also Wireshark will capture the packet that return or response as a response from DNS server to you, to your laptop, to your socket. So let's analyze the response, the query first. We need to analyze the query packet. So click recapture and click continue. Click restart current capture, and then click continue without saving, and then go to your CMD, and enter. And this is then find the D8.8, and there are two DNS packet 2. This is DNS protocol to distant to 8.8, but you can see that this is the PTR to 8.8 that in the So basically we want to analyze the second query DNS, because this is the query that we just sent from this is the one of the query that we just sent after pressing the NSLOOKUP command. So click that, and then close that, and then go to here, and on the right box you can see that there are a lot of hex character that highlighted with blue. So this you click here is the same, the content of you here is the same as the right box that highlighted with blue. So this is transaction ID, and on the right box will be highlighted with blue, and so on and so on. So every variable here, it will be highlighted with blue on the right box. So what we want to do is we want to copy all this data, all this variable, or this variable and value. I mean, we want to copy this all value. So click here, and then right click here, and then click copy, and then click escape string. And then now we need to manipulate this. We need to open a new notepad, and then we Ctrl V here, and maximize the notepad. And you see that this here, the value is a multi-line string. So we need to put this has we need to convert this to a single line. So basically it is simple. So we just erase this double quotes, and we erase this one slash quote, one backslash sign, and this erase this one single double quotes, and now we get the single line data, or the layer 7 data. And now we need block that, and then copy that, right click, and then copy that, and go back to your Python code, and just paste that from this to this. So basically this and also don't forget to give a B letter in front of this string. So let's paste this here, right click, and then click paste. So this is the string that we just get from Wireshark, the data, layer 7 data. And then this is, don't forget to put B. And then the next command is client.send. Then this client.send is we will send that file data that we just manipulate here. And then after that, the next syntax, we will wait to receive the data from the server. So the code, the Python, the interpreter will not execute these two command on the below of this client.recv command, because client.recv is acting like an input like this. And this syntax will wait you put input to standard IO. So, and after that, after you put the input of standard to standard info, then command will be continue to the interpreter will continue to execute the below of this command or the next command. So this print input is same as client.recv in case of it will help the next instruction until this command get an input from, but in this case the input is from the server. In we call that a response. So the next command is print the what is we receive from the server, and then next command we close. So let's see that now. Let's clear the Wireshark again, then click this screen again, then click continue without saving to make sure that we. Then this time we make a query not using the NSLOOKUP but using a Python script, and we will also get the response from the DNS server on the ideal and also in the Wireshark. Wireshark will get the packet that we just sent from Python code, and also Wireshark also get the capture the response from the DNS server. So go to your DNS client and then run the code, click run and click run module, and then click